Hello everybody and welcome to Sounds Like, the only panel show that's all about rhymes, and it's now live! Come on!
Why are you wearing blazers?
Just don't worry about it.
Sounds like surgical knife, Turkish delight, circle of life, burger and fries.
Rhymes in the Wild. This is where each contestant has to bring with them 2 items and make them rhyme.
This is lentil and bacon soup, an incredibly tasty food. Heinz, established, 1782. It's not, it's 1869, but it's...
Well, you know, Shuffle, that I'm a zen and simple bloke.
Of course.
So I found your message offensive in its tone. That I would have possessions in my home. So I brought everything I own. A Tibetan singing bowl.
We now move on to round 2 of Sounds, Luke.
You're a f***ing freak, man!
Drill sergeant. Missing kid.
Milk carton.
Oh my God! Wow. That was amazing.
I feel like I'm on University Challenge and I'm 6 years old.
What the actual are you kidding?
Wowee! It's round 3. This round B, count E.
So you've got 1 minute on the clock to come up with your best bars.
How about we have in the flesh?
So now we're here in the flesh. I mean, no disrespect when I say hosting, you 2 are the shittest yet. I wish I could disconnect your internet and watch you squirm as you click the X and hit refresh.
Basket guy.
Round 4. Each picture was made by typing in a rhyming description into an AI picture generator. What the is that? Creepy.
Sounds like a ballerina with a vacuum cleaner.
He's got it!
Sounds like
Well,
it's a candlelight and a guy with an apple pie.
Ooh, that's very good.
And an eye is an angled right.
What's that then?
Tomb Raider.
Oh my God! Say Sounds Like! You
Were the other 2 shows this good?
Oh yeah. What is going on here?
This is why I wanted to fight him the last time.
I want you to calm down.
No. See him? He's got me agitated.
You're an idiot!
Why would you do it?
An idiot.
Have you done poems?
No,
You've never done a poem?
no,
Would you like to do one now?
no.
Okay, so we move on to round 5 of Sounds Like. Blah, blah, blah is bar for bar. Now you're both equally so there's no pressure.
No one told me I was going to have to rap.
I'm actually smart.
You say that, but you look like you've been smoking crack in a car.
You say that, but it was actually smack in a park.
This is the oddest thing I've ever been involved in.